Hey guys, you're watching Cutie Crafts. Halloween is coming up really soon and I wanted to show you guys how I made this DIY Minecraft pumpkin using Perler and Artkal beads. It's a really cute Halloween decoration if you don't want to carve an actual pumpkin. In previous years, I've done a Minecraft torch as well as some headbands that are also really easy to make if you haven't checked that out already. This project is really easy and simple to create, so if you do recreate it, please tag me at Cutie Crafts on Instagram or Twitter and maybe I'll feature you in one of my Instagram stories. Also, if you're wondering, I got this Pikachu headband from China and it can do this. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started with the designs. Starting with the face of the jack-o'-lantern, I'm using both Perler and Artkal beads, and I'll leave the names of the colors for you in the description below. If you don't have those exact colors, it's okay, just try to find a darker shade for the grooves of the pumpkin and then a lighter orangey shade for the rest of it. I also included some translucent orange beads that I scattered around these different patterns so that when I put a light inside of the jack-o'-lantern, it can shine through those beads. This pattern is the back of the jack-o'-lantern and it's exactly the same overall shape as the face of the jack-o'-lantern, and as you can see, I have some of the darker orangey Artkal beads that are the grooves of the pumpkin, and then I filled the rest of it with butterscotch and a few translucent beads. Moving on to the second type of template, this will make the two side pieces of the jack-o'-lantern. Also, I'm really sorry about the lighting in this video. I haven't figured out how to make it look good in my new studio room, so something like this, it should be the same color as the previous frame, but no, my camera is not that good, so I really need to upgrade and I'll make sure to fix it for my future videos. Now I'm working on the top of the pumpkin with the stalk, and it is a bit trickier since you have to get all of those grooves going in different directions. Since I won't usually be seeing the bottom piece of the pumpkin, I used translucent beads to fill up the space. Also, it was because I was running out of colors, so if you want it to look nice and complete, you can try to copy the top design. Just take away the stem and make like a pumpkin butthole, whatever you call that thing. Anyway, let's get to ironing. I'm using the masking tape method to take all of the beads off of the board. And then to get a shiny finish on all of the beads, I'm using ironing film and ironing it at the polyester setting, so in my case this is at setting 3. Once one side is fully fused, I'm flipping it over, taking off the masking tape carefully, and then doing the exact same thing on the other side. Once both sides are done, I put a heavy book on top of it so that it won't bend while it's cooling. These are the 6 pieces you should have once you follow the templates. And you can see mine has a shiny finish to it. Here's the front and back of the jack-o'-lantern, top and bottom. And these are the side pieces. And now for the fun part, let's assemble the pieces together. Okay, now you are done the Minecraft jack-o'-lantern. I think the hardest part of this project was just finding the right colors, but in the end it worked out, and I found this little light that is an LED light, or you can find a fake tea light candle, stick that in there, and now I've got a cute little decoration to light up the Halloween night. If you want to see something even cuter, I used my mini beads and made a baby pumpkin using the exact same templates. I just had to be a bit more careful when assembling the mini bead pieces since they're a lot more delicate and fragile. And luckily this size was perfect enough to fit a mini tea light candle. This is battery powered, of course. Obviously don't put a real candle in this. I have no idea what would happen if the beads were set on fire. Would they melt? Would they burn? Let's not find out. Thank you guys so much for watching this Minecraft jack-o'-lantern tutorial. I hope you guys have had a great spooky season so far, and please have a safe and happy Halloween. As always, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated on my latest videos. I'll see you guys next time with another cutie craft. Bye!